Yara, go.
What? I should put something on my face, right?
I don't know. You have something for the. You need to put the
Yes, I'll put something on my face.
body booster. Yeah, it's good to feel to smooth. Yeah.
It's good for the skin. It's moisturizing my dead skin, and it's exfoliating almost my face. But then I work out like this in the morning, in the morning duster. I wake up to the sun.
So, how's it feel?
Very good. Water?
Yeah, you need to put the water. You need to clean your face.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Todos cabegeves. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful.